Minister in charge of the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, A.L. Heck, said next modern bi-species abattoirs. After Khasi and Jaintia Hills, the state government will look forward for Garu Hills as the state government is looking for clean and hygienic products from these slaughterhouses. Earlier, Heck inaugurated the long-awaited modern bi-species abattoir in Demthring village, West Jaintia Hills district on Tuesday. Minister A.L. Heck expressed confidence that the newly inaugurated abattoir would ensure the production of hygienic processed meat. He urged the butchers to cooperate and maintain cleanliness.
Forms part of the meat. So here we have a little different type of handling.
Clear lang, yaach kamat ya ganika jing tekam ke jongi te ne da da wudan kam ban shemi ke jingit clear responsibility ke jongi ke ba mangi ke la ke jong ke jingit clear ke la ke jong duty ke la ke jong responsibility ban pnia ban pujelo dia ke kam kenam warra ke jing bha kam ta ban warra ke jing ma ke bha ke bakul ba hygienic quality na ke da ke kam jing dong shong shno.
A delightful evening of music and